Hello, this is Michael with Royal Gold, and I'm here to give you another golden insight today about combining Crown Jewels Grow and Bloom fertilizers for different purposes in the garden. We're going to pre-amend some pots, but first we're going to top them off with some fresh King's Mix. So for today's project, we're going to amend each of these with a different combination of Grow and Bloom Crown Jewels fertilizers based on the purpose. We're going to start with Pure Bloom on the end, do a couple combined, and Pure Grow down to this end. We're going to do that for a variety of crops based on what's going to flower right away and what's going to take a while to grow out before it produces fruit or flowers. These are 45-gallon pots. They're each going to take around 7 pounds of amendment. For a pre-amend project, we're going to go a little heavy because we're going to water it in and give it about a week before we plant. So here you can really see the difference between the Bloom and the Grow versions of the Crown Jewels when it's spread out like this. There's a little more of a sea-based crustacean meal, crab, things like that, to get some more nitrogen involved for the Grow side of things, and a little lighter bone meal, things like that, that are going to give you the Bloom side, the P and the K proportion. So that's a cool way to kind of see the difference when you spread it out on a pot like this. You want to make sure you get all of this fertilizer really well distributed, as deep down into the pot as you can, so you don't have any hot spots where the nutrient will build up. So we've enlisted a little help for the watering from my daughter Elowen. She just got home from school and is ready to get in the garden.
Hi.
One of the most beautiful things about organic fertilizers is they create kind of a grocery store for your plants in the root zone in the soil. So you can go a little bit heavier and have a little more flexibility than you can with salt-based fertilizers, where a little extra could really push them over the line to burning because of the salts in there. So the organic fertilizers really, they're just a lot more gentle, so having that little flexibility between about 7 pounds to about 10 pounds is going to be no problem in this application.